Well, I want to show you my container gardens at the campground because Mr. Pete's packing up. We're leaving. We're going home. Tell everybody bye.
Bye-bye.
The state has come back and said, get out! So we're packing up. We're going to make a trip home today, take stuff home, come back, and tomorrow, Sunday morning, we'll pull out and go home, which is fine by me. I'm not feeling well. The trees and stuff are making my allergies a lot worse. This year, for some reason, it's really bad. But anyway, we're letting you know that they are saying, the state said, for all volunteers to get out. Now, whether the state knew when they were here or not, I don't know. But we're leaving. And they're keeping one volunteer here. So that doesn't make sense to me for the state to say you have to go. But 3 of us are leaving today. Well, this weekend, as long as we're out by Monday. So, yeah, we're going to take our time, back up, and go home. So we'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye. Stay healthy.